Hello, in this video we will talk about my favorite method of integration, which is called tabular integration. So let's start. If you look at this example, it made up of two terms, x squared and e to power x. What we will do is derive one of these terms and integrate the other. So we will derive x squared and integrate e to power x. The first derivative of x squared is 2x. We will derive it another time till we reach 0. So 2x, derivative of 2x is 2. We did not reach 0 yet, so derive it another time. Derivative of 2 equal to 0. Now we will stop. If you notice, we derive x squared 3 times, then we will integrate e to power x 3 times also. So the first integral of e to power x is e to power x, another time e to power x, and the third time e to power x also. The second step is multiplication, so we'll multiply these terms as diagonals. X squared times e to power x, 2x times e to power x, and 2 times e to power x. We will get the following. So x squared e to power x, 2x ex, and 2ex. And the third step is to put the signs. Always multiply the first term by a positive, negative, positive, negative, etc. So here we'll put a positive sign for the first term, negative sign for the second term, and positive sign for the third term, and don't forget plus C. You might ask yourself, can we flip these two expressions? So can we derive e to power x and integrate x squared like that? The answer is no, because if you look at this table, if we derive e to power x 100 times, we won't get 0, which is our purpose. So derivative of e to power x is e to power x, e to power x, etc. So this table won't end. So always choose the term that you can derive it and get 0 at the end. Another example. In this example, so choose the term that if we derive it several times, we will get 0, which is 3x squared plus 5x. So this is the term that we should make its derivative. Because if we derive cosine to x infinite number of times, we won't get 0. So the derivative of 3x squared plus 5x is 6x plus 5. Another time 6. And another time 0. When we reach 0, we will stop. Integral for cosine to x. This formula might help. So integral for cosine ax is sine ax over a. So the first integration of cosine to x is sine 2x over 2. As you see here. Now if you integrate it another time, so integral of sine ax is minus cosine ax over a, so it will be minus cosine 2x over 4 because we have 2 here. Integrate it another time, you will get minus sine 2x over 8. So this will be our table. The third step is to multiply them diagonally, so 3x squared plus 5x times sine 2x over 2, we will get 3x squared sine 2x over 2 plus 5x sine 2x over 2, then 6x times minus cosine 2x over 4, so minus 6x cosine 2x over 4 plus 5 times minus cosine 2x over 4 equal to minus, so plus times minus equal to minus 5 cosine 2x over 4, and 6 times minus sine 2x over 8 equal to minus 6 over 8 sine 2x. And the last step is to multiply these terms by the sign, so plus, minus, and the plus. So multiply the first two terms by a positive sign, they would have the same sign. The second two terms by a negative sign, so this should be negative times negative equal to positive, and here negative times negative equal to positive also, and the third term, so by a positive sign, so plus times minus equal to minus. And the last example, so always choose the term that if we derive it we will get 0, which is x cubed minus 5. If we derive e to power x minus 2, we won't get 0, because derivative of exponential form is never 0. So x cubed minus 5, first derivative is 3x squared, second derivative is 6x, third 6, and finally 0. Now we will stop. Integral for e to power x minus 2, this is the same, e to power x minus 2, another time. Second step is to multiply them diagonally, like that. So x cubed times e to power x minus 2 minus 5 times e to power x minus 2, 3x squared times e to power x minus 2, 6x times e to power x minus 2, 6 times e to power x minus 2, plus c, and finally we should put the sign, so plus, minus, plus, and minus. So multiply the first two terms by positive sign, they want to change. The second term by 3x squared times negative, so we should have a negative sign, so this is negative. Third term plus 6x times positive, it will remain the same. Fourth term by negative, so this will become a negative sign, and plus c. Now we have here the same variable e to power x minus 2, so we can write it x cubed e to power x minus 2 minus 5 minus 6 equal to minus 11 e to power x minus 2 minus 3x squared e to power x minus 2 plus 6x e to power x minus 2 plus c. Hope it's clear. If you like the video, please hit the like and subscribe button. You will find in the description our Facebook and Telegram. Please join us. Goodbye.